Here we have some of the jobs done by F&D Home Improvement at Clearview Gardens, Whitestone, New York. Call Carlos for a free estimate to 718-746-6819 for a complete apartment or house remodeling. Again, 718-746-6819, a phone number to remember. Servicing Clearview Gardens for more than 20 years. F&D Home Improvement. Call now, 718-746-6819.